Welcome to the fraction party. Look, Cam. Jada's like a ninja with her snacks. She's got a pizza and she chops it in half. Now she has a fraction. I wonder, what is a fraction? Part of a whole number. When you break a whole into equal parts, then you have a fraction. And see, we'll start by counting all the pieces if they're the same size. Write that number below the line. That's one part. And that makes two. So two's the number we put here. Yeah, true. That's the denominator. The total pieces. Then count the pieces that you are dealing with. Jada takes one piece, so we write one above the line. Yeah, now we're done. That number on top is the numerator. Jada stacking on pizza. We'll see her later. I only want a part of it. That's a fraction. That's a fraction. The numerator's way up top, and that's just how much we got. Denominators down under the line, equal parts we can find. Only one part of it, that's a fraction, that's a fraction. Now it's time for dessert, Jada gets a pie. More friends are coming over too. Oh my, she goes, well, sorta, and she chops her pie into quarters. That means there's now 4 pieces in all. So 4 is our new denominator. If more friends come, she can cut with ease and make 1/8 or 1/16 after her party. Jada wants to see on a number line where the fractions would be. You can find all fractions on the number line. Just look between 0 and 1. So inside we can divide that space in 2. That's where 1/2 lives. Yeah, that's true. So 1/2 is more than 0, but it's less than the number 1. Yeah, you guessed we could divide that space equally in 3. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. You don't have to be an ninja to use a fraction. Divide something evenly. That's the action. I only want a part of it. That's a fraction. That's a fraction.